Yo, what's up? How y'all doing? This is Soul Trades, and today we'll be talking about my trade recap for the day. Today is January 27th, 2025, and today I took a loss. So going into the day, uh, we were looking pretty bearish since we had um, a crash in the market today. We went down like 4% today, but I wasn't really looking like to take shorts, even though I marked my stuff out. I wasn't really like looking for any shorts to take. So I was actually looking for buys since I knew like we're gonna retrace up and eventually hit this market gap right here. As you can see on the 1 day, there's a market gap from where it closed and where it opened. Okay, so I'll mark what I need to mark, and then here comes market open, and then it starts going up after it hits equilibrium right here. See, hits equilibrium and a fair value gap, and it starts going up, and then I just wait for a little setup to come in. So I see I have fair value gaps marked and everything. So there's this one right here. This one got invalidated and I didn't want to enter up there. So I re-entered here, but the reason why I entered here isn't because of the equilibrium. I actually thought that was gonna like close somewhere around here and then create a fair value gap and it's gonna come up, tap again, and then keep going. But I really just made a mistake, you know? So mistakes are gonna happen when you're trading, and it's kind of embarrassing for me to do that because I was just looking back. That shit was so dumb. Like there was no reason for me to enter here. Like the candle was literally going straight up down, and I just entered. So that was pretty stupid of me. So mistakes happen. So what ended up really happening is tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap and this 1 minute order block, and it kept going and it hit my take profit. So I was targeting the London highs since it didn't sweep the lows or anything. This would have been a clean, perfect trade if I just had waited for a break of structure right here. Um, or yeah, that's really it. But that would have been a really clean trade. Let's see. I'll put the stops right under the lows right here. So it would have been a 1 to 3 actually. It would have been amazing. But yeah, mistakes happen, and today I lost, so I paid for that. Let me see how much my account is at. Damn, this shit's. So I went from about losing like 75 now to 200, but it's alright, I'll bring that back. Today we barely didn't, like, we only had one news, which at 10, let me go back. At 10, it barely did anything. So you can see right here, it didn't even affect the market at all. You see this, it's gonna be this candle right here, but it didn't even do anything. But yeah, today was a loss. I paid for my mistake, and what I should have done is just waited really. I try to force a trade between macro or whatever. But yeah, I just paid for a mistake. But yeah, what I would have done next time is just waited because I don't know why I just entered off of this thinking I'm about to catch like the wick of this and it starts going up to hit my take profit. But yeah, looking forward for tomorrow. Let me see. Uh, maybe not. I have no idea. I'll end up seeing if there's no trade recap. That means I did not trade. But yeah, that's really it. And also, what was making me bullish is we had a SMT right here. Um, going the day. Shit. All right, right here we had a SMT. So this got swept, and this did not get swept. Let me put this down. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, the same exact highs. This swept it. This didn't. So that's why I was really looking for buys. But yeah, this is my trade recap for the day, and I hope to for me to learn from this because every time I trade, like every time I post a YouTube video, it's basically my journaling, but in a video since I just find this easier. But this is what I would have done next time. You see, just be patient, wait for something else to get hit, which I had this order block right here, but I didn't wait for that, and I just entered here. So yeah, see you on the next trading recap video, yo.